Hey everyone, it's Nina here. So today we're actually going to make Lau Thai, which is essentially hot pot. So what is it exactly? Well, to save you the trouble from Googling it, it's essentially a simmering pot of broth, which is cooked on a portable gas stove. I personally love it because it's so good, like it's so delicious, like I don't know how to explain it. You literally get the choice of putting any assorted uncooked side dishes for it to be cooked in the broth, and there's so many fresh ingredients that like you don't feel guilty eating a lot of it. So a lot of the ingredients include like rice noodles, you can even use different types of vegetables, like anything really. And then for meat, you can do a variety of meats. A lot of people tend to do thinly sliced beef, but we personally as a family love seafood, so we normally use like salmon, squid, mussels, shrimp, even like tofu as a good alternative for those that aren't really a big fan of eating meat. And for broth, there's so many options too. So in the rest of the video, I'm going to show you the different types of ingredients that we use personally in our hot pot. And yeah, feel free to follow it. If not, the world is your oyster. You can choose whatever you want and let me know how it goes. My mom also uses this. You can find it at the Oriental Market. Let's get some food for her. Lau Thai. Mom, mẹ có thích ăn lẩu không?
Hả? Nó ngon quá.